Бүгін сілер менен Fancy Nancy Super Secret Surprise Party деген китепті оқуйбыз. Бұл китеп Jane O'Connor тарабынан жазылған екен. Ooh la la, our class is throwing a party. I can't reveal who it's for. Reveal is a fancy word for tell. I don't want to spoil the surprise. Everybody is on a committee. A committee is a group with a job to do. I tell my family at dinner. My committee is in charge of refreshments. Then I explain to my sister that refreshments means food. Who is the party for? Jojo wants to know. Jojo is not trustworthy. She can't keep secrets. So I say, I'm sorry, I cannot tell you. Then I lock my lips and throw away the key. The next day, our committee meets at recess. Lionel will take care of beverages. That's fancy for stuff to drink. I will bake cupcakes, I say. Clara says I'll bring chips and popcorn for the party. Ooh, oh, Grace overhears us. That means she's listening in. Party? What party? She says really loudly. Grace is not in our class. She doesn't know about our party. Shh, it's a secret, I say. It's a surprise, says Lionel. You better invite me, Grace says. Lionel shakes his head. Sorry, you can't come. Right away, Grace starts yelling. That's mean, I'm telling. She points to Miss Glass and the other teachers. Oh no, she can't tell them. It would be a disaster. It would ruin everything. We explain why the party is just for our class. You have to keep it hush-hush, I say. You can't tell a soul. Grace promises, but Grace is not always trustworthy. We make her lock her lips and throw away the key. After school, Annie takes us shopping. She is a teenager and babysits for us sometimes. Who is the party for? Annie asks. Annie is very trustworthy, so we confide in her. Confide is like reveal. It's another fancy word for tell. Still, we make Annie lock her lips and throw away the key. In the supermarket, I buy a box of cupcake mix. It is called Chocolate Surprise. That is perfect for a surprise party. That night, Dad and I bake the cupcakes. Then we frost them. They are chocolate with tiny marshmallows inside. The marshmallows are the surprise. The next morning, everyone in our class comes to school very early. We decorate the room. Yoko has made a giant card. All it needs is our signatures. Signature is fancy for writing out your name. So, have you guessed who the surprise party is for? Yes, it's for Miss Glass. She walks in and we all shout, "Surprise! Happy birthday!" Miss Glass is so surprised. She can't say a word. She is speechless. We give Miss Glass the card. We sing happy birthday. Then we have juice and cupcakes. The cupcakes are delectable. That's fancy for yummy. So, how old are you, Miss Glass? Lionel wants to know. Miss Glass smiles. That's a secret, she says. Then she locks her lips and throws away the key. Ушуну менен китебиз аягына чыкты. Үйдөн окуганды практика кылгыла. Goodbye. See you soon.